Preview.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we're going to make special sweet dish for winter. Especially we made it in December or like January. And these are the ingredients we're going to use in this recipe. And this is super easy, so you have to try it and please watch it till the end. So these are the ingredients like garnished coconut, almonds, and gram flour, which is besan, badam or coconut जैसे, and this is homemade ghee. This is semolina, which is suji in Urdu, and that's very good for your health. It contains protein and fiber, vitamin B, and it helps to like lose your weight, so it's very helpful. All right, so moving to the next, this is sugar, and then we are going to grind sugar, and we will make it like a castor sugar, because the sweet contains castor sugar, not the sugar in actual state, because it will not mix well. And now just grind it. Place it into a plate or bowl, whatever. And once again I'll tell you, कैप्शंस ऑन कर लीजिए, लाइक जो इसकी क्वांटिटी है वो कैप्शंस में बता दी है मैंने. ऊपर सीसी का ऑप्शन आएगा, आपने उसको क्लिक करना है और कैप्शंस आ जाएंगे, उसमें आपको क्वांटिटी मिल जाएगी. Alright, so we make castor sugar. Now it's turn to grind some almonds. Place a handful of almonds in chopper. So we will grind it. Make almonds like a little chunks, so when you eat it will give you the little chunks of almond in the sweet. Alright, so that's how it's supposed to look. Like it grinds well. Now place it into some bowl. Alright, so now place a pot on flame and put some butter or ghee, whatever. I prefer ghee because it's kind of like desi food, so you know ghee is important. So now we are going to add semolina, which is suji. Just mix it continuously and gently with the spatula or any spoon, or else it will burn if you don't do that. Just don't stop. Now I'm going to add gram flour, which is besan. Just add it bit by bit, not too much, and add ghee at the same time because that's how it cooks. After a few minutes of cooking, that's how it's supposed to look. Also, the texture of sweet is looking so smooth, so it means it cooked well. Just a little effort and you can cook anything you want to, and must follow the recipes. Also, I shared some lit recipes on my channel, so look forward to it in the future. We add ghee in this texture now, and we are mix it gently like this as I'm showing it. Just don't stop, and you will get the better result. And that's how it's supposed to look after a lot of effort. Now we're going to add castor sugar, which we make right in front of you. Just add a bit by bit, or you can use it to taste. Like, it's up to you, like how much sweetness does your taste bud prefer, and so you can add like on your choice. Alright, so now we're going to add this almond, like grind almonds, because it will give you the little crackle type thing when you eat, like a little chunks of almond. It will definitely taste so good. Please must try this recipe out. Okay, so now we are going to add some almonds, some extra almonds. And we'll mix it gently. Okay, so after a few minutes, that's how it's supposed to look, and it cooked very well without being burned. Just take care it will not burn. And it's ready to serve now. Just place it into the plate or bowl, whatever you'd like to. And for all of my Christian friends, I'm going to make Christmas cake or like Christmas dessert in my next video, so please look forward to it. If you like this recipe so far, just smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos. I'm gonna be upload for Christmas event too, like what you eat on Christmas, like cakes or like whatsoever. I'm looking forward to it, and I will share the recipes with you. So about this, we're going to cut it like a cubes, or you can get them any shape you want to. I'm just cutting it into like square one because that's how we serve it, but you can just do it in any shape, cut it any shape you want to. It's up to you. Just microwave it for like cool 20 minutes and it will taste better. You can just serve it into any shape you want to as I'm showing it. So if you like this video, just please subscribe and like this video. And yeah, Allah Hafiz.